Hello, NCMS 6th graders. It's Miss Pugs, and I wanted to take you through a couple of little things about Gamestar Mechanic, which we are working on. If you weren't in class last time, you did not get a chance to create the account. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to be doing this on our Macs, and everybody say hi to Bruno sitting there, a little goofball. And the easiest way to find Gamestar Mechanic on the computer is to find the Command key, hold it down, and press the space bar. That brings up our Spotlight search right here. And in there, we're going to start typing game. And it will come right up. And all you have to do is press enter or return. So give it a moment to come up. And if you weren't here, you are going to get started by clicking here. And you are going to use your district username. That's your username comes right before at wssd.bz. I'm going to create a slightly different account. And you have to put in your password. And then you do have to put in your birth date. And oh, I have to scroll down so far for mine, guys. And then you have to check this box. I have read and agreed to the Gamestar Mechanic Terms of Service and click register. Oops. Let's try. There we go. So here we have to enter a security code. And this is a picture-based security code. We're going to pick the exact same thing, all of us. So click on Art, wherever it might be on your screen, Cat, wherever it might be, Purple, wherever it is on your screen, and using a computer. And then click Done. It's now going to mess them up. So we have to verify by picking the exact same things. If you remember, we picked on Art, we chose Cat, Purple, and using a computer. And we click Verify. And it creates our account, and we are going to click Get Started. So where we are here is in Gamestar Mechanic, and this is a great site that allows you to go through and work as like an apprentice in a game mechanic shop, where you first have to go through a quest, play games, fix games, and then eventually make your own games. It'll say up here that you don't have an email address set. You don't have to worry about that at all. And let's go ahead and click on Quest. It is extremely important that you're going to do this one first and you click play, and that you kind of read through this. This is just setting up the story. So as we go through these quests, we're going to collect sprites, which are any part of a video game, any little character, any little power up, anything like that. So you get to here, you click, you get to choose whether you want to play as a male Addison or a female Addison. I don't care which one you pick, and click continue. And they take us to the factory, the Gamestar Mechanic factory, and they show you the different schools that you'll be learning about here. So there's Naviron, there's Altair, there's Acheron, and there's Karakuri. And your big goal through all of this is to get to the point where you can make a top-down type game or a platformer style game. So you get in here and you click, you play through the games, you move on to mission 2, 3, 4, and then you're done with that one. And then you go back to the quest, and then you work on the next factory and the next factory. It is super important that while you are in the quest and you are working, that you read every single thing that is on the screen. It tells you what keys to use. It tells you what the goals of the game are, how many levels it has. And this is important because part of your game process is going to be to create and write those things. So you have to give that information when you create your game. These games start out very simple. I'm going to play through the first level for you just to show you. And they do get harder. I mean, this one is kind of stupid easy, but they do get stupid hard pretty quick. And I don't know about you, but sometimes these casual games are more tricky and addicting than, you know, $60 console games. So there you go. It's pretty easy. So that's going to be your job, is to work on these and keep going through the quest. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.